Bye. So sand house. There's my house right here. So when I stand, I can do that. Stop by the see them can
ตลาดใกล้แป้งข้างใหม่โอเคอยู่
yeah. มันก็บ่มีคุมหลายเนาะ So they fixed this new road right here. Sliding เอาน้ำแข็งเลยไหมน้ำแข็งก็15ก็น้ำเป๊ปซี่มีเหรอน้ำเป๊ปซี่
มีแค่ไหนทุกวะ
ทุกหนึ่ง
น้ำก้อน15
ทุกใหญ่ไหมทุกใหญ่นี่นะแม่เท่าไหร่
32
ตัวใหญ่แข็ง15ตัวเนี่ย32เป็นน้ำครบเลย15ตัวใจนะซักชื่อซอยนะ
เดือดคิวบอกเก่ง
ฮะซอยเซ่โอ้เอาน้ำเป๊ปซี่ได้ฮะเอาหอยเส้นก็ได้เป็นเลนโอ้ลมพอแกละลมวะโอเคไปบุกโลดได้ What's up, guy? ซักคือสิ่งน่า OG นี่หมากยุ่มนะหมากอย่างนี้นะต้นหมากต้นหมากมีหมากม่วงอย่างกา coconut too. Oh, look at all them mango. Oh, mango เป็นซีอันนั้นนะ Look at Mark.
What's up, man?
What's up, guy?
Welcome to the Laos house.
Welcome. Welcome, Laos.
Way too much stuff. Way too
Spidey
early,
sis,
man.
how you doing?
What's up, BFF?
Yeah.
What's good?
Yeah, we're...
What's good?
Oh, there you go. You got the ice and the
got a,
Pepsi, too.
Club Sam.
Y'all about to hit Sam Club? Hit the Sam Club. No.
He called early. He said,
Yeah.
you want to come over? I said, yeah.
Oh, that's what's up.
The ice bucket.
Right there. The food's already ready.
It's nice house. So you stay here right by yourself?
Yeah, just by myself here, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Yeah,
You
we
got some
the
steak?
steaks just ready. We can start cutting already.
Damn.
We got the...
Ooh, thank you for you.
No.
Chef? Oh,
Man, the chef.
91?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I had to get her to come help me out today because I got too messed up yesterday.
Oh, you
So I
did?
didn't feel like cleaning or cooking.
How much you pay for this house?
About two.
Two? Oh.
Yeah, like I had to get the regular toilet installed, you know, stuff like that.
Oh, it's a nice
Like,
house.
Yeah, regular toilet paper, you know.
Yeah, just American way, you know?
American
That's
way,
how we
yeah.
grew up. That's how
Yeah,
we used
like
to.
that, you know, so.
Yeah, we don't get used to
make
squat
sure.
and wash
Right.
up. Wash up.
These are the showers, you know.
Oh, this is the shower right here?
Yeah, it's got hot water too.
Oh,
You know, right on the right.
Yeah. Same at my house.
Yeah, on the right there.
Yeah, right there.
Got the hot water, the shower right there.
Nice.
You know.
Do the pimp my house, but welcome to my crib. Now let's just do MTV.
I'm trying to do some remodeling.
Yeah.
I'll let you look quickly into my bedroom. But
Oh, you
just
bet?
quickly.
Okay, quick pic.
Just quick peek. That's it right
Nice.
there. That's good enough.
Nice and cool. Look at
That's
that.
good enough, bro.
Okay.
Got the AC
The
code
AC
in there.
yours.
That's
Oh.
only for the ladies, though. You know
Yes.
what I'm saying? But, you know, since you must.
Alrighty.
I'll let you see it.
Oh, this is nice and cool in there.
Yeah, so it's not too bad, but I
Yeah.
want to put some, you know, some AC units, some 12,000
Oh, yeah.
BTU or whatever. Yeah, a few, maybe 3, 4.
So this the
Yeah,
living
this-
area.
The living room here. This,
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, so I just got
yeah.
something to do with it.
Yeah, so
big,
you're single, you know, so
Yeah.
hey, you know.
I was thinking about putting the walls here, and then
Yeah.
I could close it in and
Hey.
put 2 AC there and make that like the chill room in the VIP.
Kid. Hey, you got a lot of stuff to do over here.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
How's that though?
it's nice. So this is all
It's
you
a
right
fi-
here,
It's
huh?
a 5-bedroom.
5. Damn.
Yeah.
You don't look for a roommate, or you know?
Nah.
I feel
don't
you.
have a roommate.
You got fridge right here too. Wow.
Yeah.
What you got in your fridge?
Oh man, I drank too much.
Ooh, look
All
at
empty, bro.
You got some liquor
Yeah,
too.
I got steak and all the other stuff. I got some
Hey, you
type
got
it
some-
though.
Oh yeah.
It's boiled already.
Organic.
Yeah.
Oh, can you eat it right now?
Yeah,
You want to?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe later. Maybe give to the guy right here. So you check out Sam house now. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, you got upstairs too? A room upstairs, huh?
Yeah, I don't go up there.
You don't go up there?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't really
Nice,
use
nice.
that upstairs there.
it's nice.
Storage more like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we jamming some slow jam.
I got the outside grill too, but I don't know.
Oh,
I don't use it much.
Where's the two brother at? Ooh, let me try that later.
There's a lot of ripe ones.
Look at it.
Yeah.
Sam got a whole bunch of mango here. The
Yeah.
little tiny. Oh wow. Look at that.
And these too, look.
Mắc me, huh?
Jackfruit.
Yeah, just
But-
jackfruit. Just
This
gotta
shit
wait
right
till
here
it's
is overdue.
yeah.
That That brown one, I'm not sure, but this one
Yeah.
is here.
Yeah.
I think that one is ready. So now,
What's one? The
that
brown, the
one,
little one?
Yeah, the brown. See.
When it's
You see
brown?
What I do with them over here?
Oh,
Look. I think
so it
these
just
are
fall
ready.
down.
Come look at these.
Oh yeah, that one should be ready. Wow.
I don't know.
Yeah, wait a little bit. Who stay here? Nobody?
This is another old guy that stayed back here.
Oh.
Yeah, he's like a retiree.
Oh.
Yeah.
You got a lot of mock meat back here.
Yeah.
They just fall down like that?
There's some kind of bugs flying around.
Jackfruit?
Here,
Yeah.
I think they like these fruits. You know?
Yeah.
You see how many
Jackfruit.
there are there?
Yeah.
If you see some ripe ones, you can knock them down. Keep
Oh.
it for about 2-3 days before you cut them. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe the big one, but you see that brown one up there? I think that one really.
Yeah.
They about to fall down already.
Yeah, that was right. Yeah.
You see that?
Way ready. Might have to climb that shit.
Tell
though.
Gat will climb it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gat, hey, two of them right
He
there.
just volunteered you to climb the tree, bro. He said,
Hey, Gat, is
I
it-
could knock that shit out.
It's ready.
Yeah. Yeah, for the jackfruit.
Yeah. You want to go get it? Hey, all the mango is ready. It's yellow. Check this one out. Look at that. Got yellow and green one right there. Cái này sắc.
เก็บผมมอง
ผมมองเป็นจังไร
หลังแล้ว
สมหรือหวาน
หวาน
หวานบ่
เดี๋ยวก็
มักมี่นี่อ่ะ yeah
กินได้ปะ
yeah it look like it's ready up there it's brown
กินเมื่อไรที่
right that's how we do it in Laos right here you get fresh fruit fresh you get กินเลย you see มักมี่ is brown right there the top one right there
เอาไปเฮ็ดซุปก็ได้นะ
yep get fresh mango Oh, you put rice in there? It'd be good. Oh, it's delicious.
Yeah.
You put rice inside, it'd be good. Wow,
กินแบบสดๆเลยนะเอามาจากต้นเลย
organic.
เอามาจากต้น
เอามาต้นเลย
ต้นต้นหนาต้นคอน กับเบิร์ดละต้นต้นร้านคนนี้
Oh, so good.
แล้วต้นต้นนี้
Sweet.
ต้นยาวต้นมันต่างกันนะต้นน้อยก็มีเลยอันนี้ต้นน้อยนี่ผมมองน้อยต้นนี้ Right here, on the right.
What are you trying to get?
That little one.
Mango or what?
Yeah, it's a baby one.
It's
different kind.
a different kind of mango?
Yeah, he said.
Huh?
Mango. And, you just twist it. Oh, yeah.
โอ้เบิ่งหนักเลย
Yeah,
They don't look like a mango, is it?
yeah, that's baby mango, like.
Huh?
กินเมื่อไรสิ
That's a baby mango, yeah.
กินได้บ่เคยกินหรอ
That's not a mango.
Can you that need?
Mango
not
some.
not a mango
It is.
Yeah,
It's
the
mango. It's different kind of mango.
กินเคยกินหรอวะ
Can I have?
Yeah, it's mango, but it's
Huh?
Yeah, it's mango.
Yeah, it's mango. It's different species mango.
Different
They
species.
got the big long one too.
Yeah.
Mango.
I've never seen this mango before.
Like my neighbor across the
Oh, I
street.
never see that
You
mango.
see my neighbor mango across the
กินได้
street?
ปะ
Mm-mm.
That shit look like a moon, man. Come on.
Really?
Let
Let's
me
go
show you
look
up
at
it.
that.
You can see it from here.
Where?
Across the
A
street.
moon mango?
Yeah, man, that
A
stuff
big-
is so big, bro. I'm like,
Yeah.
what the hell kind of mango is that? I want one like that, you know. Right there, you see it on the right?
Oh,
He's got a
yeah.
regular one like mine right there, but he's got the one
Oh,
on the
yeah.
right.
Yeah.
That shit is huge. See how big
I bet that's sweet
Yeah.
right there when it turn yellow.
Look at this. I don't know what this fruit is. So.
Look like a, it's like a,
Look like a big ass lemon lime.
Yeah,
To
it's
me.
maksomo. What they call it? A grapefruit.
Might
a,
be.
a big grapefruit.
Yeah, it might be.
Turn bigger.
Yeah.
Grapefruit.
Type
Yes,
shit.
grapefruit. Yeah.
Yeah. And like I said, yeah, that's the neighbor there.
Somebody.
That's the neighbor there, and
Yeah.
their mango. You see how big that fucking shit is?
Mm-hmm.
That thing fall on your head and knock you out. You see those mango over there?
Yeah.
That's how big they were. Like those are huge, and they're shaped like they're shaped differently than the one that they're
nice,
longer.
Nice shape.
They're longer,
long.
like a moon.
Yeah.
Like a half a moon.
Who lived there?
I don't know.
Have you seen them?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they're all right.
Nice house.
From Laos.
From the state or just Lao?
No, from here. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Rich. They probably have
They
money.
got a big land too.
Yeah, big
got a
land.
big
The house
land.
is nice. There's like a restaurant next to you or just a...
No, they just had a wedding.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Wedding.
like yesterday they had a wedding. You see, cat beer, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
they
Is
had-
this your property too?
Yeah,
So this mango right here
yeah,
too?
this mango too. Yeah, I got the stick for it, but somebody put it up here.
Oh. Yeah, wait till it's turned yellow.
Yeah, it falls all the time. You see on the ground?
Yeah.
It's full of it on the ground. Over there.
Nobody eat them.
Nobody even pick them, man. We can't eat them fast enough.
Yeah,
See, I be eating like
you got a whole
4
bunch of coconut
I be eating
too.
like 3 or 4 in the morning, man, and I'm like, I'm good with that.
Hey, trying to get the coconut. Look at the
Coconut?
coconut is kind of
Shit, who wanna climb?
gat.
Cat?
he's a.
Come on, they over here about ready to eat, man. You still trying to make him climb, man.
Damn, you got a lot of mango.
Coconut tree,
tree.
all around the
Yeah.
house.
Yeah.
All around the house.
Wow.
Yeah, all the way to the other side, to the back.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, you see the coconut, they just fall too on the ground.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, I have to collect them and put them all in one pile and shit. They be falling and shit.
Damn.
Just be careful when you
Just
walk
be careful,
under.
yeah. Don't,
One of them
yeah.
might fall on your head.
Your head, damn.
Yeah.
Knock you out.
Knock your ass out. Yeah, those are real big ones. Those are real right.
Yeah, I bet the
Yeah.
big one is ready to eat.
Oh yeah. They got this thing though I saw on Facebook that it's like a step. They step on it.
Oh,
and
yeah.
you climb
Just
up.
climb.
Yeah, and it clamps down.
Yeah.
But shit, I still wouldn't do that shit. I'm afraid of heights, you know.
I mean, that high
Fuck
too.
that
Yeah.
shit. They can have that shit.
Wow, look how peaceful this is right here. You just
Yeah.
stand right here. You saw the coconut tree right there. Oh. And you got a nice spot, Sam.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah.
That my somo right here too. Yeah, that's a
yeah.
grapefruit.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah, we got fruit tree everywhere in the
Yeah, you
yard.
can
bro.
some my lemon, yeah.
I got lemon tree right there. That's the lemon tree.
Yeah, lemon tree.
Yeah.
Damn.
That big ass tree right there. You
Yeah.
don't think it is, but it is. Yeah.
Man, you got a lot of good.
Vitamin.
Oh yeah,
This.
yeah.
Yeah.
Lemon. Oh yeah. That's cool.
Back your hood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta pick this up. Do that.
Say quad, say thing, say quad. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. It's all right.
Nice. You got all kind of fruit tree. Got banana, everything.
Right.
Jackfruit.
Yeah, it's nice and peaceful and serene. I like it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy the moment.
Oh yeah.
In Laos.
Banana right there.
That's what?
Banana.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's
Yeah,
banana.
banana.
Banana
Yeah.
tree.
I'm a thumb, man.
There's one on the other end you can get though. I'm gonna let that one get bigger.
Yeah, let it get. Yeah.
Go to wedding.
Oh my man. Hello man.
What?
Oh, my man.
Ooh, look. What's up, sis? You don't want to make this, sis?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's try your sea moo one. Let me taste that.
That's like Sam.
I Sam make this?
Yes.
Steak? Little steak?
Yeah, his ingredients.
Oh, yeah.
His beamer, he put the sauce and everything. I just mixed it. That I did. Whatever you want to call it. Quoi.
Oh yeah. Dig in, guys, man.
Oh, appreciate that, Sam. Baguette, man. Yeah.
Help yourself. Help yourself. It's a buffet. Help yourself.
It's a buffet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Help yourself.
No, that says it. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Yep. There you go. He's trying to get to the climate feed.
Hey, you got coconut, yeah.
They said they got coconut.
Who gonna climb the tree?
Yeah, well.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah, he's down. He's survival. Yeah, he will. Yeah, ain't nothing. Ain't nothing to bruh.
Oh, that's tough too for the.
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Put three right there.
Yeah, I think the boy ain't trying to drink today because we drink.
Wow.
I would think the same thing.
Yeah. Not bad. Yeah.
I went to hang out with my student, the food. So fun
And that boiled egg, what's that?
That's that boiled duck eggs. When we're putting some.
Oh.
So it ain't like duck eggs, but
So
it's like
egg.
halfway duck eggs. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
CD. Mà đây là sao? Mà làm quay đấy.
Right, they put this ice on one thing.
Was mad just the other day, so I decided to write you a song.
Yeah, today is water day. Yeah, lady, we got 2 cases, 48 years. I got 4 left. Yesterday,
I'll do anything. I'll give you my heart, my everything.
Hey, Ted. Yep, it is. Tắt cái lâu đây. Tắt khỏi rồi có đẹp.
That I don't really care.
Just my.
Yeah, my bad. Ran out of the water and long.
How many do you think?
5. Yeah, 5. That's alright. It's 5 days long. But I don't need the upstairs.
So, the parts are not big?
He's still waiting on parts because hard to get party.
It ain't all you got that keeps me satisfied. You learn and it's so good. Till that sun fades
She did. She did the fiber though. Look, it's
That means sometimes the lady is hot and it's cold. That is cold water.
กินข้าวซุ่มกันน้ำพายไปหลังอ่ะ Thank you, Sam. The food was delicious.
Welcome, man. Welcome to Laos.
Welcome, yep. Welcome to Laos. We come look at Sam backyard here. Look at all this banana tree right here.
Yellow.
Oh, it's like a jackfruit right there. Not a jackfruit, grapefruit.
Right here, look.
Yeah, that yellow one right there. yeah
มันเรื่องเลยนะตัวนี้นะ
yeah มันเรื่องเลยมันเรื่องกินเหี่ยวไปเลย
ไล่แล้วมันเรื่องอยู่
yeah I think มันมันกินเหี่ยวไปเลย
นี่นะ
เหี่ยวไปเลยเนี่ย you guys need to eat them
เอาไม้มาต่อยเอาตัวนี้ต้องอันเรื่องอะไรน่ะต้นเรื่องก็มีตัวนี้เป็นเรื่องนะตัวนี้นะเอามาใบก่อนเอาต้นเรื่องเพื่อนนะ
yeah
ต้องอันนี้นะ
yeah it's ready already ต่อเอาเลยนะ
like most of them already sold
มันกินเหี่ยวเลยนะ it's all like yeah
yeah those are mango tree too
wow
mango's way
that's some big old mango tree though
yeah that's a big ass tree you need to cut that motherfucker
a lot of your trees big หมากยุ่มไหม too all the baby banana tree
yeah banana tree all through there
ooh
but you know the neighbor they come and get it or ask for it or whatever I give it all to them
and they got everything over here
yeah there's small mango tree over there not banana tree
yeah banana
I was thinking about growing some shit but I was like
look at this one it's dead but it's still growing
damn that guy hit it
somebody hit it and it's still growing though and it still got some
need to cut it
think it still be good though
yeah I think this is the one we want we need to cut it hey there go your banana you say you want to make
เอาตำ
ตำเฮ็ดยังจะว่า
yeah เฮ็ดตำเอาไป yeah take it
ตัวนี้บอกกล้วยกินthere's a different kind of banana
yeah
hey bring it in grab it knife
yeah
ตัวนี้ตำบ่ได้ครับ
ตำได้
yeah ตำเลย
ก้อยน้อยนะ
กล้วยหน่อยผู้ดี
ก้อย
ตำ
พี่บ่ใหญ่เด้บ่ใหญ่ปานใด
ก็บ่ใหญ่เหรอ
ก็ใหญ่ก็นั่นนึง
oh gee
hey we might be able to make something out of it
yeah
it'll still probably live though if we leave it alone
yeah it will yeah it's
still
survived
got his root
it just bent
somebody knocked it over I think the guy came here earlier he wanted this kind of shit to make fire or something
oh so he broke that
yeah he broke that shit
oh
เอาไปยังเอาไปตำเลย
ไปตำมันนะ
เอาไปตำข้ามแล้วไปตำให้
พวกเจ้าแล้วไปอ่ะฮู้ทำฮู้จะเข็ดแล้ว
ไม้ยาวอยู่หน้าบ้านก็ได้ไม้ยาวขนาด
yeah it's in the front
อยู่หน้าบ้านคนอันนี้มันต้นที่มันสั่นโคตรต้นนั้นยาวได้อยู่แปรต้นมะม่วงอยู่หน้าบ้านคนนั้น
he got a long one long one go get it in the front
you get it with that one เล็กบ่น่ะว่ามันตกใส่หัวได้น่ะ
ปาดิโต survival style เอานั่นเด้แกเอาหากนึงมัด do the jungle style you know ปามีน้ำหมักสมโอโอ้ยสวยดิมันแล้วเลยนี่
บ่ได้คือว่ามันสิ
มันสิหวานเด้นี่ตัวนี้
บ่ได้คือว่ามันสิต้นสูงบ่เนี่ยนะครับต้นนั้นต้นนี้ different kind of tree different kind of
no everything is tall over here เบิ่งต้นหมากม่วงบักใหญ่นึงน่ะ
บ่ได้ฮู้ว่าแต่เห็นบ่ได้ฮู้ว่าเป็นหมากเป็นโบ
ลูกไรมันเกิดมาหลายปีแล้วนี่นะ
เขาบ่ตอดมันเด้
เขาบ่ตอนมันแย่
ใหญ่
เบิ่งต้นหมากพร้าวบักสูงนึงพุ่นน่ะอยู่สิบักพร้าวมัน
เขาเป็นอยู่คนเดียวสนุกกินบ่ได้ดอกก็อยู่คนนี้กันนี่คนเดียวกินบ่ได้
แม่นมีหลายคนเนาะอะไรมักสมโอหน่อย
แต่มักสมโมน้อยไปลองเบิ่งซิมันกินได้บ่มักสมโมอยู่เมืองลาวบ่ฮู้ว่าซ้ำนี่มันสิกินได้บ่บางทีมัน
ลองเบิ่งนะ
บางทีมันก็มีพันธุ์แบบพันธุ์น้อยนำอยู่
เถื่อกินหลายอยู่คันมันหวานมันสมกินหลาย
เนี่ยประมาณสมกินนะ
บัดโตอันนั้นมันมันสิหวานตัวน่ะ
บางเทื่อนี่ขมไปเลยเด้อเพราะว่าหยังเพราะว่าเขาบ่ใส่น้ำใช่มั้ย
แม่เนาะเน่เอาตัวใหญ่มาเลยไหลมาเซยเจอเซิงเยอะแต่นะ Ủa thường you reach it. Yeah. Bao cho mình hiểu vấn đề. Yeah. It looks sweet though. It might be sweet.
มันจะแบบคมไปเลยนะกินมัน
Yeah.
มันจะเอาลงไป
You got the wrong one.
เพิ่นจะเอาหมักสโมได้ด้วยแกซื้อมาแค่สโม
You didn't even get it, Gat. It's the other one. That one. Oh.
ลงแล้ว
Some old.
มาเบิ่งหน่อย
Grapefruit.ถือว่าซักเลย
ใส่หัวกันในตายเลย
Yeah, save some for later.
Yeah.
Need one. You guys you can eat all that.
Yeah, that's a lot. พอแล้วแก Yeah, that's enough, bro. Save it. Yeah, save it for next round. The next round we come. Oh, yeah, มันก็สิสิเอาจนเบิดเลยวะเนี่ยแก
บอกไอ้ต่อยแล้วคนต่อยนะต่อยนะบอกไอ้เศร้า
Oh, shit, you. Ooh, no good. Hey, let me get one home so I can get to my up to now.
Get the softest one.
Oh, I get. กินตัวไหนเขาจะเอาตัวนี้เมื่อ Take it home.
Looks like a big old lemon, huh?
Yeah. กินเจลเอาไปกินเจลเลย
ทำก็แบบมัดบ่อเลยนี่
มะม่วง โอ้หมักพร้าวไฟ It's the fire coconut right there. Yeah, they probably had it back.
Nike. Nike had it.
เอาขอบใจด้วยพ่อแม่พี่น้องที่ตามเข้ามามื้อนี้จะหยุดไปก่อน Thanks everybody for following, like, comment, subscribe. Catch me in the next video. Thanks.